Alright, so for today's lesson we're solving log equations. Now those are the opposite of exponential equations, of course. So for exponentials, we isolated the exponential, took a log of both sides. For a log, we're just going to do the opposite. We'll isolate the log, and if there's multiple logs, we'll use our log properties to combine into a single log, and then we're going to rewrite it as an exponential and solve. Okay, so let's go look at a couple examples together. So solve the log of 3x equals 2. Well, our log's already isolated. Now you don't see a base here, so it's a 10, right? This is a common log. So let's rewrite it as an exponential. So this means 10 to the second power equals 3x. Again, that goes back to the first lesson on logs. Just rewrite it as an exponential. So of course 10 squared is 100. We would divide 3 by both sides. Hey, x would be 100/3. Okay? How about this one? Very similar. Now we've got a little bit more inside our log, but no worries. So 10 here, again, base 10, you don't see it, but it's a common log. So 3x minus 2 equals 10 to the third power. Now that's 1,000. So let's add 2 to both sides. And then we're going to divide 3. And so x is going to equal 1002 divided by 3. And if they wanted so many decimals or whatever, we could go give them to them, right? Not too bad. Okay, one more here. Now we've got multiple logs. This is where those log properties come into play. I've got log minus a log. Hey, that's my quotient property. So that's the same as log of 8 over 2x equals -1. Now that I've got a single log, it's just like those other problems. Let's rewrite as an exponential. So 8 over 2x equals 10 to the -1st. Of course, I could reduce this right here if I want. So that'd be 4 over x. And 10 to the -1st is 1 over 10. And now if you want to cross multiply, there's different ways you could solve this. And so x equals 40. All right? So rewrite your log as a single log if you need to, then rewrite it as an exponential, and you'll be in business.